I'm Joy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the big day because we will start the 2021 ZODIAC Amigurumi crochet along. Now let's see what we have here. This is the mouse, the ZODIAC animals of January. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channels and turn on the bell for further updates. Hi, for this ABBREVIATION mouse project, we will use these two colors, white and pink, light pink. I don't have white here, so it's like cream and pink. I use double strands of this 1mm crochet thread equal to DK yarn, so you can use DK yarn. I used 2.5mm crochet hook and 7mm safety eyes and a little bit of stuffing. First, we are going to crochet the bodies and head. Make one marriage ring. So I use the single crochet here. It's called cross sticks, single crochet that are under yarn under single crochet to make the crochet bubble mouse. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 single crochets in one marriage ring. I can tie up this round. When we will double the stitches by increase 6 times, around increase 6 times. 1 2. If you are a beginner, I have one whole ultimate class about amigurumi beginner. You can learn everything from this, from basic stitches used for amigurumis, how to choose yarns, hook, how to read pattern, everything. Okay, this one is so this row have 12 stitches in total. Now we expanding the and make the head, top of the head, by adding 6 stitches every row from row number 3 to row number 6. So after row number 6 we will have 36 stitches in total. So add something like this: 1 single crochet, 1 increase around the rows. After expanding the circle, now we just crochet around, single crochets around from row number 7 to number 14. In the next rows, I want to expand a little bit more for the body, so we will add 6 single crochets by crochets 1 2 3 4 5 single crochets and 1 increase around the row, so in total 42 stitches. In the next 4 row from 16 to 19, we just crochet around 42 stitches, 42 single crochets every row. Now we add the safety eyes between the rows 7 and 8 and 7 stitches between 2 eyes. In the following step, we make the flat base so the mouse can stand easily like this. From row 20 to 24, we will reduce 7 stitches per row until we get 7 stitches at the row 24. That means decrease 7 times every row. At row 23, we can stop the body and the head, but stop properly on the top, but the bottom don't stop too much. After finishing off, we will leave a long yarn to make the flat base of the mouse so that it can stand easily. Okay, let's insert the yarn at the center of the bottom up to the top and pull the yarn properly, make the flat base plus bottom of the mouse, and then fasten off and cut the yarn. Comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like my videos. For the ear, we will use pink and white yarn at the same time. Make 2 outer ear and 2 inner ear. First row, we crochet the 8 half double crochets around the marriage ring. Number 2 of the year, we will crochet 8 increased half double crochet. We joining the ear when we have the outer and inner, so the outer with the white yarn we don't cut the yarn and continue to crochet around 24 single crochets through all the stitches of the inner and outer ear together. 2 arms with light pink yarn. Start with 1 merrick string and 6 single crochet, and then does the crochet around 2 more rows of 6 single crochet. Last row, 4.5 and crochet through both opposite stitches, 2 single crochet. Congratulations, you have done the Zodiac Amigurumi mouse inside the event 2021 Zodiac Amigurumi Crochet Along, hosted by me, Joy from Amigurumi Handicraft. There are two plans to join, like for the giveaway, free plan or VIP plan, and you also can have on the patent will be released on 2021 with my VIP membership. You can check out in my website. And thus I would love to see on the photo that you have crocheted, so please tag me and this Rennie inside your photo and use hashtags Zodiac CAL so that I can see your work. We use the free plan giveaway, thus you free Zodiac CAL, and if you use VIP, that's VIP Zodiac CAL. Bye bye and see you again.